River outing turns tragic in Portland. Good evening and welcome to Primetime News. Special welcome to our viewers on TVJ International in the Cayman Islands and online at onespotmedia.com. I'm Kelisha Williams. Also this evening, health officials in Clarendon raise alarm as more men than women are dying. And later, efforts intensify to preserve a Jamaican Easter tradition, kite flying. There's also sports and weather in this newscast, but I'll have the news in detail right after this break.